Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I know the garage is a little bit of a mess, but what we're going to be working on today is we're going to be assembling a model 7200 roll guard A-frame ladder. It's a pool ladder for our above ground pool. So let me get you guys set up and let's get this thing put together. Alright, let me grab my knife here. Pretty heavy. Okay, it's a staple box. My dull razor knife. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to blow your ears out, guys. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's lay out these parts. See if they come with any instructions for this thing. Four of those. Make sure you guys can see what we're doing here. And we'll move you back a little bit. There you go. Oops. Kick the bug light I'm working on. Not much hardware, that's nice. Children aren't waterproof. Duh. One of the reasons we got this ladder because it's a safety ladder. So the grandkids can't just climb in there and do their thing. Let's see here. Step 1. Lay IL rail on a flat surface. Which one is IL? Looks like one of these ones. This one. Move all that crap over there. These are probably some of the crappiest instructions I've ever seen. Gotta love that. Alright, assume all these are the same. So it looks like we tap down until seated. Note track is not blocked. So I assume that way then. Okay. So if I went the other way, like that, it would be in the way of the track. So the track slides through this channel here. So let me get a rubber mallet. We got these that I've never used. They go on a regular hammer, so let's see if these things will work. Just smash it on there real quick. Works. Fits on a good hammer. There we go. Alright, what else? Tap all 4 threads until seated. Do not install bottom thread until step 4. I guess this isn't the bottom thread then, because it said that 4 of these had to be in there, so I'll go with that. Step 2, outside ladder. Lay OL on a flat surface. Where's OL? Right here. Let's move this one out of the way for now. Oh, it's pretty heavy. And you fill these up with water too, so makes it even heavier. Lay OL on a flat surface. Alright, steps 3. Push handrails through bottom of deck, leaving about 3 inches exposed. Alright, let's grab these. Grab the deck. Got grass clippings all over it. Just the bottom. Leaving 3 inches exposed. Do that. All of these, I assume. That doesn't seem right. I did something wrong here. Hold on a second. And maybe I didn't do nothing wrong. Okay. And get these kind of flush. That's how I'm gonna do my 3 inches. There's one. Yeah, the ladder that come with the pool is so cheap that it's just not very sturdy. That and the grandkid fell down it last week, so her fault though. She was going up it or coming down it backwards and rode her ass all the way down it, so it's not the ladder's fault, but this one should be a little more sturdy. Alright, what does it say now? Align the inside-outside rails with the deck handrail. Locking handrails onto ladder sections. Alright. Oh, they couldn't have made that any more difficult, could they? Why is it not going in? I mean, it's just like... I feel like I'm going to break the damn thing. Let's see what the instructions say. Because they aren't being very nice. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Heck no. We're way up here now. Alright, we're struggling with this, guys. Alright. Get these sections on here. Yeah, it's supposed to go all the way down. There we go. Got that side down. This side still needs to go down a little more. There, you gotta get these little balls above the thing so they hold it. There. Alright, what's the next step? We gotta put some screws in, I know that. I don't know if it'll come all the way through. There's no damn hole there. I didn't drill the hole out all the way. Hopefully it'll pop it out. Alright, let's see if we can dig that out of there. Where's that knife I had? Maybe we can pick it out with the knife. Where are these scissors? These scissors might work. Got a little chunk of plastic in there from it making a hole. There we go. We just need to back that off so I can get the nut in there. Oh, come on, it's all crooked. Heck yeah, it is. Yeah, this is really going to work great there with your crooked ass holes. I'll try to bend it over that way as we screw, I guess. Oh my gosh. The hole's not even centered. Let's see if another one will work. Only screws on 2 of them? You gotta be kidding me. Yep. Should be screws on all 4 of them, you would think. Ugh. There's 4 of these legs. There should be 4 screws. And of course, that one's not going to pop out like it's supposed to. Just have to push a little extra hard on that one. Jeez. You gotta be kidding me, man. Ugh. Hate that crap. Let me find a bit. Get the damn thing to... Make sure that's in the center this time. It's a lot closer on this one. That one will work. So let's get that one in at least. Grab my other bit. Where did I put that? I just had the damn thing. Where did I set it down, guys? Do you guys see where I set that down? Where did I put the bit? Where did I put my screw bit? Oh, there it is. This one should go in real easy because the hole's actually in the center now. Because these guys can't drill out their own holes. And this one should work. Should have some forward. Oh, look at that. It's actually going to work. Take this one out and oblong that hole out so it actually works. Get this hole more towards the center. There. There we go. All right, next step. All right, now we got to tip it on its side. Let me lower you guys back down. Oh, there goes one bit. My scissors. All right. With the ladder laying on the side, slide the roll guard into trap. Grab handle first. From which way does it show? Like that. Okay. Oh, come on. All right. What are we hanging up? No, it shouldn't be hanging up on that. The hell am I hanging up on here? Oh. It's not lined up right. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Stupid lock thing. There we go. All right, that's on there. All right, that stops there. Bottom tread will not be flush with ladder rail. Tread will extend past the bottom of the ladder rail. Okay. Need to get this one back on. Where's that hammer at? All right, there we go. All right, so we need to drill those out. Those handrails, because they don't have any, of course they don't, but they don't have any holes drilled in them yet. Man, that sticks out like an inch. We can't have that. So we'll put that on the outside, and I'll cut them off with a hacksaw. I don't know why people can't give you the right length hardware for crap. They just want you to cut your clothes up and everything on this crap. So we will do it the right way. and fix their mistake by giving too long of bolts. Get our washer and our nut. We'll stand it up and hacksaw that off. What's left, because I do not like that. Grab something to hold that with. Pair of pliers will suffice. Man, I can't see nothing. I'm surprised it passed my vision test on the driver's license renewal the other day. I thought for sure that wasn't going to happen. Alright, grab a hacksaw and whack that off there. I can't stand that. There we go, nice and smooth. Damn, this thing's tall. Flip it over. Do the other one. Where's that bit? Nut and bolt. Seems like there should be something to hold these damn treads in, but what do I know? At least the bottom ones, it seems like. Although they sit on the ground, I guess. So they shouldn't come out. There we go. Grab a bit. Bolt. Our washer and our nut. Alright, I need my pliers. Where's my pliers? Where's that hacksaw at? Cut this off. Almost. Come on. A little bit more. There. Nice and smooth. And the gate opens. Here, let me turn this around so you guys can see. And you lock it right here. Point guys up there. This is your lock thing. You pull it all the way out to open it, to open the roller thing, and then to lock it, you lock it like that. Put your lock in there. Now the kids can't get in there unless they're really good at climbing up stuff like that, but I doubt that. All right, let's unlock it. Pull that thing all the way out. Yeah, once it's got water in it, this thing's gonna be pretty heavy and pretty sturdy. And it's got these things that we can, these things here, once it's on the pool, these go on here. You just put them where you need them to do that, and then you just mount it to the pool rail with some self-tappers. And then it really keeps it sturdy. That's what the other 10 screws are for. That they claim are self-tappers, but they're not self-tapping screws. None of them are. So everything's gonna have to be, that goes into the pool rails, will have to be pre-drilled. Well, there you have it. We got it all assembled. I know I probably missed a little bit of video because standing it up and laying it down. This is the Confer Plastics $250 pool ladder on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description for you guys. Nice little ladder. I mean, it fills up with water, makes it even heavier and more sturdy. Plus, it's got these things that screw on and then screw to the pool rail to make it even sturdier. It's got a lock on it to keep kiddos out. That rolls up and down. And then got to get some work done on this. Fuel pump went out on it. It was running like crap. I couldn't mow my lawn for like 2 weeks. I couldn't figure it out, but I did figure it out. There was no valve lash left on the exhaust valve. The valve seat was pretty worn, but it's 50 years old, so what do you expect? You know, almost 50 years old. So we got a new fuel pump coming for it, but I have to mount it. I have to mount the new one right here because it needs to be within a foot of the fuel tank, and you can't put it underneath here, under this plate, because there's a hydraulic ram, and when you raise the deck, a whole bunch of linkages and crap go up in there, and it just tear up the hoses, so we'll just mount it against that back wall there. And then, of course, you know, we definitely got to get to work on that. That's my main goal this summer, is to get this bike done and running, because I really want to ride it. And I've been waiting all summer for that one. And then we got the bug light I got to fix. Damn bulbs for this thing. Those things are $60 for both of those things. That's insane. But it is a big old bug light, so we'll get those ordered and get that done. What else we got? Oh, I don't know if you guys see the life jackets, but that's just a hint on what's coming. Anyways, if you guys like this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.